Steve-O,
Yeah.
your project today is setting up the new shed?
No.
No?
No. My
Your
project
project
is
today is to open up the boxes and
Yes.
look at the new shed?
Yes. My project is to get them out of the trailer so we can
Yeah.
have the trailer to
Yeah.
use,
Yeah, we want
and
the
then
trailer
determine where we're going to put the little Suncast sheds.
back. Yeah. So over there,
Yeah.
I have set up, let's see if the people can see it. Behind that tree there is our chipper.
Yeah.
And so that's what I'm going to be working on today.
Great.
And so you're going to work on this even though both of our sheds say, and I'm just going to point out,
Yeah.
it says team lift. Oh, here it is. It says assistance is required during the entire assembly.
Yep.
And that's such an important instruction. They put it in 3 languages.
Yep.
But you're on your own.
I'm on my own.
How do you feel about that?
Story of my life.